Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Kung saan, everyday update tayo sa markets. We talk about trading, we talk about stock market investing, we talk about making money, other investments in general. Pwede sa forex, pwede sa commodities, could be crypto, right? Pag-usapan natin yan. Welcome to The Daily Grind. Please share this video, please share po ito sa mga friends ninyo, sa mga kaibigan ninyo na gusto magsimula sa stock market or to your trading groups. If you have any other trading groups out there, yan. We share it there para yung mga newbies doon, they will know that there's a program like this. I don't think there is much action in the market right now, right? Walang gaanong action talaga sa market. Sharing my screen, PSEi, here we go. Yan po. We're up 0.72% pero net foreign selling po tayo. 69.83 million po ang lumabas na pera from net foreign investors. I usually look at this if ever we're bullish or bearish kasi a large chunk pa rin ng investment sa Philippine Stock Exchange is from foreign investors. Anyways, ayan po. We are, ito yung bar kanina, medyo ang hirap tignan ng Philippine Stock Exchange. There was a day na nag-drop siya, pumula, tapos ngayon nag-green, tapos at the end of the market, bumaba rin kaagad. That's weakness right there, right? So it is not a constant growth for the market just yet, but that's okay. At the very least, tapos na tayo sa downturn na to at we're starting to grow, di ba? I think market is still gonna go sideways. Magsa-sideways po ito. Resistance is around 7,000, and so once we reach there, most probably we're still gonna drop after pag nag-topish ng market kasi di pa ganun kalakas ang market. When do you ask me is the best time for the market right now? It's ghost month, tapos andyan pa si COVID. So many uncertainties plus upcoming upcoming elections, which is causing it's not giving assurance to investors. That's the reason why wala pa gaano investors na nag-aggressive sa market natin. So yeah, that's the reason why we think market is still going sideways and now it is reaching toppish levels. Time to slow down on your buying na muna, right? We want the markets to drop. Sabi ko sa inyo noon nung bumabagsak ito, we'll start planting already. Tsaka nung drop dito, we'll start planting already. Look for positions, right? So yun ang strategy for the market even until now. Konti na lang ang iaakit ng market before hitting resistances, so you don't have to be aggressive in the market right now, right? Update tayo nga pala. Izanagi natin, right, medyo pulahan pa ang mga positions ngayon, pero it's still up 155%, 0.67, right? Hindi ganong umakyat talaga ngayon. Medyo pulahan si Izanagi with the current open trades. So, but that's okay. That's not a problem. Valkyrie naman natin, 5.83 kapon, close today at 5.88. So, steady gains for our Valkyrie bot, which is what I love, right? Because low risk po siya. Right, yung Izanagi natin, I'm not sure if this is still updating for now. I'm gonna be checking out bakit hindi nag-update yung Izanagi na position ko. Right, so antayin lang natin mag-update yan. Alright, let me go to the comments really quick. Oh, sorry, wrong button. Alright. Alright, so let me go to the comments really quick. Benedict, gabi Sir Idol. Good evening po. Good evening sa mga nanonood natin sa atin via YouTube. Alright, Ishi Marimat, ayan, always present. Good evening, Ishi. Alfredo Kisto, magandang gabi rin. Rowena Villa, mayang gabi. Sebastian Arcega, good evening, sir. Good evening po, Sebastian. Good evening, sir. Okay po ba humabal ka sa SLP? Nga pala si SLP, nag to the moon ngayon. Let me show my screen. SLP, USDT. Diba sabi ko sa inyo a few days ago na pwede nyo nang simulan magbodega kay SLP. Dito pa nga lang yun diba? Bumaba. Tapos, but yeah, SLP has already been showing good signals. 13% for SLP ngayon. Still, the value is still very low. Mas maganda po, you don't really have to go aggressive right now. Alright? Mas maganda always pull back and bounce. Wait for the pullbacks and bounce before you want to get in. Nakita natin to, we gave a signal of buy right here, so there's the pullback and buy at the support. You buy some. The verdict right here was magbodega na tayo. Bumaba si SLP for how many days, and then there's the dip right there. So pullback lang, don't worry. Magpo-pullback po yan. Pullback and then bounce before kayo pumasok kay SLP, right? But yeah, then again, congratulations sa mga SLP holders. Galing. Jelerios, good evening Sir Lloyd. So ano po pwedeng nyong i-suggest ngayon na pwedeng bilhin kahit pa konti-konti? I can't really suggest. I want you guys to look for your this is the case. I'm not really focused on the local markets right now. I'm studying Forex and I'm focusing on Forex para ma-improve pa namin yung bot namin, para maibigay namin sa inyo na libre. That's in the form of Izanagi. Izanagi's been doing well. I'm still focusing on it. We're still looking for signals to improve on Izanagi. So if you want na andun ako nakatutok sa Forex ngayon. So hindi ko nakatutok sa PSEi. What I can do for you is look for the stocks that you want, do your technical analysis, and you can consult it with me. So, tingnan natin. Lagay kayo dyan. I cannot recommend assets for you anymore here in PSEi because hindi na po ako nakatutok. I'm not really updated sa mga news, yung mga earnings na may hindi ko nga nakikita gaano. So, you tell me in the comments, I'll tell you the technical analysis, okay? But yeah, then again, ang tinitingnan ko lang is the general market na lang. Because I am still in PSEi. I'm just not actively trading it. I'm more of an investor sa PSEi. So it's very important for me to still be updated sa nangyayari sa mga stock market. And meron akong group with StocksEd and I have 2 brokers with me. Si Kapayamang Arnel is one of them. And we talk to each other. I ask for them for updates. And then usually if there's something big, I share it to you guys. Whenever Arnel thinks that the market is doing well, I even share it to you guys kung meron naman siya mga inputs, di ba? So, yun po ang ginagawa natin ngayon sa Daily Grind. Right, Rosario Rosal, good evening. Phil Cruz, posible po ba na mag-change name si Dito CME to Dito Tel? Not really sure right now because it's not easy to change the asset that you have on PSEi to something. It's not easy, right? Hassle po yan. I don't really know for sure if there is going to be Dito Tel. Meron bang news? Meron bang balita? I don't think so. Wala naman. Good evening, Jose Lumba. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. May video po ba kayo how to check fundamentals of a company? Yes po, definitely. Fundamentals, I have that in my main video, which is, let me open Facebook. In Financial Freedom 101, my Facebook page. Alright, etong seminar po na ito, tingnan nyo to, andyan yung fundamentals. Maybe, meron ako sa YouTube eh. Let me get that for you. If you want that specific video na lang kaagad for fundamentals. Let me search my videos. Your videos. Yeah. Should be fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis ito. So, fundamental analysis, the daily grind. Yeah, daily grind ito, but should be talking about fundamental analysis. I should have a specific one. Dinadaan ko kasi sa daily grind ang mga videos ko na fundamental analysis, the daily grind, fundamental analysis, the daily importance of investing, and fundamentals. Alright, importance of investing in fundamentals. Right, the daily grind po siya na videos. Yeah, so please watch those videos instead. Right, andyan sa comments. Let me go up. Right, Artsy Gams, good evening Sir Lloyd from Cagayan de Oro. Magandang gabi po sa inyo dyan. Sebland, SLPH po. SLPH, Shell PH. Ano ba nangyayari? SLP na sa isip ko kasi yun yung tinitignan natin eh. Cebu Pacific. Let's check out Cebu Pacific. Right, looking good for Cebu Pacific. Let me load my chart layout. Let me open Seb once again. Right. Let's check out Cebu Pacific. Yeah? Right. So we are creating a support right here. Divergence all the way. That's bullish signals right here for Cebu Pacific. I'd say test this support out, right? Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be your buy. I don't really recommend going long term for Cebu Pacific. So cut loss lang below this major support if ever our trade is not gonna be right. Okay? Pero ang ganda ng signals. Good find for Cebu Pacific. Land, right? City Land also creating a support right now. Divergence. Yeah, looking good, right? Land support is looking good. Ito yung pinaka-support niya talaga dito sa baba. If you can get in there, that would be the best case scenario, but it doesn't always happen like that. So I'd say, pag nag-green to, yeah, the land is a buy also. Cut loss below that major support for land. Good find. Shell PH. Kamusta ba si Shell PH? Okay ba earnings niya? Alright, nagpo-pullback ngayon si Shell PH, right? So, this is good. Use MA20 as your support right here for Shell PH. Nagpo-pullback siya ngayon. Meron na tayong nabubuong trend line. Get in that trend line as much as possible for Shell PH. Hopefully, the trend will continue. Hindi gaano kalakasan na trend, but yeah, that's the market right now. It's really hard to look for trends. And then, that's for Shell PH. Art Sigam, Sir Lloyd, what's your technical analysis about FTM USDT? FTM USDT. Let's check it out. Crypto. Bearish na. Right? Pataas ang presyo ng tops natin, but our RSI is already dropping. So, those are bearish signals. Tapos na lipad nito. MA20 bounce was the best entry. Last entry. Naiwan kayo. Kung naiwan na tayo dyan, it's already a no entry point for FMTZ. I would say it's already a sell signal for FTM USDT. Jeleris noted, sir. Salamat sa ideas. You're welcome. John Monges. Good evening, sir. Lloyd. Pasilip si ACEN. Let's check out ACEN. ACEN. Right. Let me just adjust the audio on my end. Yung music, hinaan ko lang sa headphones ko para hindi ko kailangan lakasan ng boses ko. Kasi whenever I hear the music, kasi I need to speak louder. So, binabaan ko lang. But on your end, it should be the same yung music. Alright? May control naman ako for the background music. And, kati talaga na mata ko. Grabe. Alright, ACEN, still, pullback and bounce is gonna be your best bet for ACEN. Okay? Medyo bearish ang signals natin for ACEN. So, konting ingat lang. So, you don't really have to chase it up there for ACEN. Not my kind of trade since nakalipad na yan. Jason Murphy. Ang hirap talaga ng pangalan nyo. Binabaliktad ganito pag maraming mga sinasaktan. Jason, good evening. Miratoni Sarmiento, Sir Lloyd, pwede po si Litecoin. Let's check out Litecoin. Ano nga bang code ni Litecoin? Litecoin. LTC BTC. Alright. Hirap pa. Parang K-pop group pa. Alright, alright, looking good. Three white soldiers tayo. So most probably this downtrend is already done. Pullback and bounce is gonna be your entry point for Litecoin BTC. Good find right here. Abangan nyo lang po ang pullback. This is from Miratoni. Right? Jason Murphy watching from Durban. Gandang gabi sa inyo dyan. I don't know if gabi ba sa inyo. Hapon siguro, di ba? Pwede kaya pumasok kay C. Pwede. Pero pwede kayo maipit. Right? Uy, ang ganda ha? Pwede mo pumasok kay C. Technical analysis is doing well. Not really sure about the fundamentals of C. Ang alam ko, C is medyo lumalaki ang utang because of the pandemic. So that's something of a concern talaga for C. I don't want to be aggressive in C though. There is a support, yes. Mas maganda if ever, this is a descending triangle, mag-breakout to ng descending triangle na sa kanyo pasukin. Mas maganda po yun, especially on a company that's not doing well right now. So, C, that is for C. Arnel Jacinto, Ani, sir, si Ani after dishing out the bad earnings, mukhang magda-downtrend, and there it is, nag-downtrend pa nga. Nag-break na ng support si Ani. So, yung mga kailangan mag-cut loss na kaya. I'm not sure why the earnings is not coming up on my screen today. Right? Kailangan ba i-click sa indicators pa yon? Di ba hindi na? Earnings. Wala eh. Nawala yung earnings ng chart natin ngayon. I don't know why. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Basta nung naglabas si Ani ng pangit na earnings somewhere around this area, bumagsak si Ani. So, sad to say. Kasi we were looking for a good position for Ani, which was this support right here, considering the first quarter earnings was doing well. So, we were expecting for Ani to go up. Kaso nga lang, nung lumabas yung earnings, pangit, then Ani did drop and is still dropping right now. Lakas pa rin ng momentum on the drop, pero mukhang mag-RSI buy na tayo. But for now, you don't have to buy Ani. You don't have to go aggressive on this stock. Unila Texon, CPG, 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 CPG. Alright, CPG doing well. Breakout, pull back and bounce. That's the bounce right there. That's the support. Previous resistance tend to become the support. So that's a good buy right there for CPG since kakasimula pa rin lang ng rally nito. That's a good buy, right? Pero kung magbabay kayo ngayon, huwag kaanong maramihan. You don't have to be very aggressive with the market. Good evening, Sir Lloyd, IMI, and APL po. Last post BSC, thank you. This is from Rizaldi Reyes. Let's check out IMI. IMI. Alright, so IMI resistance, let it break out lang muna, or if ever bumagsak talaga si IMI, these are your entry support or breakout for IMI, APL, and BSC. APL. Right, APL. Malakas pa rin naman support ni APL eh. We are at support areas right now for APL. So, buti nag-pull back pa ng konti. Support is your entry point. If you wanna trade this, enter the support, then cut loss lang below that support just in case mali. Right, for APL. Right, BSC. 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 Ayan. We talked about MA20 already for how many days. MA20 tend to become your support. And this is the buy right here for BSC. I would say okay pa rin naman. Lakas ng angat ni BSC kanina kaya medyo naiwan na tayo. Dapat kahapon was the buy for BSC. Di ba? We talked about BSC yesterday in our charting. That was a buy already. Hopefully pinasok niyo na to si BSC. Rosario, thank you. You're welcome. Mitzi Advincula Gonzalez, a pleasant good evening to you too. Eddie Ed, good evening, Sir Lloyd. We're gonna be Arb, Sir Sanoria. Good evening, sir. How about IMI? We just covered our IMI earlier. Thanks, Sir Lloyd. Salute from RT. You're welcome, man. Let's, sir, pa-check po si Luna, Terra. Are these cryptos? Luna. Right, Luna Innovations. Alright, from Nasdaq. Let's check it out. Support is right here for Luna. I'm not really sure what happened with the gap down. So, please know for sure ano nangyari dito, bakit nag-gap down. Alright, that will be your task. If ever okay pa rin naman siya, then this should be your support right here. Or, if ever mag-break out, then that's gonna be your entry point for Luna. Terra naman, I'm not sure if what the code for Terra is. So, I'll just skip that for now. Twitter. This is from Ishi Marimat. Able to enter sa breakout in GDS. Ni GDS, or galing. Alright, Twitter, nag-breakout. That's your buy point right there for Twitter. That's a buy. GDS naman, right, nakapasok ka sa breakout. Galing ha. Breakout strategy, it's either the support entry or breakout. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, during this time, kung nagpo-pull back pa siya, support your best entry point. Meron tayong support dito. Kung mag-bounce sa support man, pasukin nyo. Then since naiwan na tayo, breakout is gonna be our entry point. Breakout, kakapasok nyo na sa breakout, then good. This is a very good trade right here for GDS. Well played. Not from Ishi Marimat. Galing. Arnel Jacinto, thanks, you're welcome. Sol from Kent, Cordova. Let's check out Sol. Renesola, New York Stock Exchange. We are in between support and resistance. So, same scenario. It's either buy at the support or buy at the breakout for this current position. Medyo nakalipad na rin kasi medyo malayo-layo na sa support si Sol. Kung gusto nyo, bodegahin, okay pa naman to. And then just buy more at the support for Sol. As long as this company is doing well, please do your part. Paulo Alteos, Ethereum USDT. Kamusta ba si Ethereum TH USDT? Ano yun eh? Nag-rally yun eh. Pullback na ba? Yan, pullback na for Ethereum. So, it's doing a pullback right now. Best entry point is going to be this previous resistance, which is your support, right? If you know how to trade breakouts. Fine. Sayang, no? Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin nyo na si Ethereum dito pa lang eh. Or the breakout. Taas na ngayon na Ethereum. Congratulations sa mga nakinig sa akin noon. Mira Tony Sarmiento, you're welcome. Meron pa pala. Si Rowena Villa is asking for... tingnan natin to. CLI and GMA7. Simulan Masters, medyo nakalipad na rin to eh. Alright, CLI. Let's check it out. CLI starting to form resistance as a lower high right there. So most probably tapos na naman tong rally na to. It's very risky to really get into these points. I cannot recommend CLI anymore. Medyo nakalipad na po kasi siya. It's showing weaknesses already for CLI. GMA7 dropping after hitting the resistance. Alam natin saan pupulutin to. Antayin natin sa support for GMA7. There's a huge sell-off for GMA7 earlier. So, abang lang muna sa baba. LRW, kakalipad lang po nito. It's doing a pullback right now. So, yeah, you have a trend line right here. Follow the trend line. Please plot your own trend line. Ayoko na pindutin yung underline kasi hahamba sa oras. But yeah, please plot your trend line. Follow your trend line since napupullback naman siya. You're welcome, Tony, Rizaldi, Reyes. Yes, sir, learned a lot. You're welcome, man. Tesla. Alright, I still have my Tesla with me. Medyo malaki-laki nakikita natin. Kay Tesla, still going up, still on a breakout. That's still a buy right there for Tesla. If you wanna go for a breakout strategy. Right, just cut loss lang. Actually, kaka-breakout lang yun eh. Yeah, yun yung problema. If dyan kayo sa breakout, you have to cut loss below that support for Tesla. Metrobank, this is from Roel Perez. Metrobank dropping right now. Alam natin saan ito pupulutin. So, abangan lang muna natin mag-form ng support sa Metrobank. For now, wala pa. We need more data for it. Paolo Altels, thanks sir. You're welcome. Let's go to YouTube. Yan, meron din tayong mga comments dito sa YouTube. Rayville, good evening. Marvin Fernandez, good evening sir. Pasilip naman po si Ada Miyota. Pwede pa kaya humabol? Ay. Wag po. Alright, wag po. Alright, si Ada USD. Pullbacks na lang tayo since ang taas na nito ni Ade. Cardano. Yan, taas na nito. Nag-breakout siya, but man, it's already showing weakness at these points, right? Divergences are saying this is already bearish, so most probably this is gonna drop in the future. Well, we talked about ADA also before. Major currencies break nung support pa lang. Sinabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo na si Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other things. Pag lumipad si Bitcoin, sasama yan. And there it is, lumipad na si ADA. I don't think ADA is still gonna go up. But I could be wrong. It's just that it's not my kind of trading anymore. I'm a position trader. Those are not my kinds of trade. Okay, maghabol. Masasaktan lang kayo. Miyota, USDT. So, Red, may mga mistakes ako. Mabilis ako mag-cut din. Kinabukasan bumabalik din sa previous price. Pag sell naman po lagi masyadong maaga, paano po kayo ma-maximize ang profits? This is from Rosario Rosal. Very good question. Is this in PSE or is it in crypto? Sa crypto kasi, mahirap mag-cut loss sa crypto because of the volatility. Ihagipin lang yung cut loss ninyo for it to just go back to its original price. So, it's gonna be very hard. I have a video about taking profits. Let me try to search for it. Taking profits. Oh, let's search for profit. Meron ako niyan for sure. Kasi pullback, nag-take profits na ba kayo? When to take profits. Alright, exit plan. Where to cut loss and when to take profit. Yeah, this one right here. So, check out this video. This is for Rosario Sal. This best fits your question. Paano mag-cut loss and paano mag-take profits. Alright, check out that video. Right? Going back. O nga pala, plug ko lang again, Izanagi doing well for us. It is already up 155.67% since the day we started this account. Right? We're making this account public. Yung results niya lang, hindi namin pinapakita yung loob. This one is for kasi kind of malaki yung laman. Right? So, 155% already. So, this is doing well. I am creating an Izanagi where I can really show the amount. Started with $500. Let me get my phone. Magkano na ba laman nito ngayon? I can share it to you. MetaTrader 4. XM Global accounts. Alright. It is at, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, it's too little. It's at $507. I mean $508.38. So from $500, I've already gained $8. This account started at August 22, right? So isang 10 days pa lang ang account na ito, and it's already up $8. I don't know how much that is in percentage, but that is good win from a $500 na account. So Izanagi is bot trading po. Bot trading meaning we have a program where we set in our technical analysis and our parameters for selling and buying and cutting losses. And once the program is set, it will trade on its own. And it's been doing well for us. This is our account that's been running from January to still present. It's already up 155%. Disclaimer lang, previous performance doesn't really mean na ganito rin ang performance niya in the next coming 8 months. Then it's not, doesn't work like that. But this is the running earnings for this, and if you want to join up, this bot is for free. Right? Para po sa inyo yan. Lilibre na namin yan. Ang babayaran niyo dito is monthly VPS, which is just 300 pesos. Yun po yung pambayad sa PC na magra-run, na magta-trade para sa inyo. And everything is now passive income for us. Yes, there is still risk because this is in Forex, but so far, it's been doing well for us. Right? If you want a more, what do you call this? Mas lesser risk at mas what do you call this? Mas sure na galawan, go for Valkyrie na bot. This one is premium though, around 700. You're gonna be paying around 700 a month, right? 700 pesos a month, right? Plus VPS pa yung yung computer na magte-trade para sa inyo. So around 1K a month. So, but this is just $500. You count the percentage in earnings lang. Right, so sorry about these mga updates to. How do I turn that off? I don't know. Ang dami kong EX nito. Nag-open kasi yung market sa international ngayon. So, may nag-open ng market. So, nag-open ng market, naglabasan ng mga news. Anyways, yeah. Valkyrie, check it out also. Maganda naman to. Go to the video description to learn more about Izanagi and Valkyrie. Andyan po sa video description yung videos ng link niya. And then if you wanna register, andyan rin po yung registration link. And it's going to be the perfect time to start on Izanagi. If ever gusto nyo magsimula kay Izanagi, because XM has a promotion na double your investment. This will be running from September 1 to September 30. So it has already started. Kung maglalagay kayo ng $100, then XM is gonna add $100 onto it. For trading for trading purposes, hindi nyo po pwedeng i-withdraw kasi madaya rin naman. So, yung profits lang ng $100 nyo ang pwede nyo makuha, right? Up to $500. So, meaning if maglalagay kayo ng $500, XM is gonna be doubling it to $1,000, right? So, for old and new na mga clients nila. So, kahit na meron na kayong account ngayon, if you still add, doblehin nila yan. Hindi nyo lang mawi-withdraw. Yung earnings lang nito ang mawi-withdraw ninyo. And gradually, makukuha yung 500 the longer your account is. So, Izanagi, sayang naman, it's for free. Test it out. I strongly suggest you test it out. We tested it out for you guys, and eto na, nakita nyo na yung result. Diba? This one is public results na already. And also Valkyrie. Right, so moving forward, Shell PH, tapos na tayo kay Shell PH for Nico Malabat. Sir, how about Meg, please? Let's check out Mega World. Wala naman YouTube ko. Katalahunan ko. Anyways, Mega World. Doing a pullback. Best entry is gonna be this support right here for Mega World. So, abangan lang natin saan magla-landing si Mega World. But overall, okay pa naman yung takbo niya. There is already the trend of Mega World starting right there. So baka mag-bounce, right? That's still okay to get into for Mega World. Jayco07, Kara po. Saan kaya pwede mag-take profits? Let's check out Kara. Galing ha. Take profits na yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kara. Galing. Where did you enter, man? MA20, I assume. What's the difference of assume and presume? I don't know. MA20 should be your entry point, di ba? Bollinger Bands triggered, MA20 pullback, and if you enter that, that should be a very good win for you already. Where maganda mag-take profits, we see this resistance right here. Baka umakyat doon since there is still momentum on this bad boy right here. Congratulations sa Kakara Therapeutic na entry mo, Jacos07. Well played, man. Peculiarizer, quite out of the topic, but if you don't mind me asking, how many years you've been in field? Because your technical analysis is amazing. Salute. Sir, thank you for sharing your knowledge. Thank you so much, Peculiar Dar. 20 2013, 2014. Tagal na. Matagal na. Right? But man, swerte nyo ngayon. Alright, let me just go close up para, no. Swerte nyo ngayon. Ngayon kayo nagsimula, the market's not doing well. Swerte ko lang noon nagsimula ako, the market was doing well. So, medyo okay yung trade namin. Pero, ang problema noon is wala talaga nagtuturo. So, even if the market is doing well, I know you've experienced this, kahit magandang market, you still get so many losses pa rin. Kasi hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo. It's just that, ang ganda mag-invest kasi noon. And then, what I did was, investing, majority, then konti lang na amount ang tinitrade ko. Because that was my mentality. Sobrang sakit matalo sa stock market ko. Why not, since my investing is doing well, invest lang muna ang pera ko. While I'm learning, maliit lang ang pera ilalagay ko para pag natalo ko, konti lang emotions, di ba? Wala kasi nagtuturo noon, right? I did have some friends who are into stock market, pero you know them. You know people na marunong naman sila, pero they're not really good teachers. So, yeah, they gave me advices. I got that advice na simula ka muna sa maliit lang muna panta-trade mo, go for investing since investing is doing well. So yun ang ginawa ko, then nangapa ako, but the learning curve is quite long noon since wala pa mga videos na ganito. If ever mag-join man kayo na seminar noon, sobrang mahal and I don't want to invest in that. Gusto ko lagay ko na lang sa market since market is doing well, di ba? So I started on my own. Meron mga videos here and there pero pahirapan maghanap. Ngayon, sobrang dami ng mga videos. So, sobrang dami na nagtuturo. So, swerte nyo ngayon pa rin kayo magsisimula. Right? Swerte nyo na magandang crypto takbo, magandang Nasdaq na takbo. Yung PSEi lang, if ever sa PSEi kayo pumasok, then for sure pahirapan. Then again, thank you so much, Peculiar Dar. Kate, hi sir, pa-check na IDC and DMC. Let's check out IDC. I don't know. Right, IDC. I don't care pala. I don't care. Right, IDC creating a good support right here. I would say it's looking well. The support's looking well for IDC. I would say that's a buy. Cut loss lang below that, just in case mali. Right, for IDC. But this is a good find. DMC. Right, DMC naman tayo. DMC kind of reaching the top level already. I don't like to get into that anymore at this point. So it might still go up, man. Don't get me wrong. It's just not. It's not my kind of trading, so I don't really want to. I don't really want to say this is a buy. How much minimum for Valkyrie and Izanagi? A good, healthy start for Valkyrie is $500. Izanagi kahit ba magkano ang start for Izanagi, Jaya? $250. You can start with only $250 for Izanagi. Pwede nyo na magsimula ng ganun. And plus, if you only have $250, since may promotion si Izanagi, si XM ngayon, you can go for 500 already. So 250 das idodoble ni what do you call this? Ni XM, then you get 500. Then yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ang ganda ng opportunity na ito. Hopefully hindi niyo po sasayangin. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be creating another account. Tapos lagay ko na 500 because that's 25k na buying power. You don't get that a lot, right? Minsan lang nangyayari yan. So, please take advantage of it. If meron na kayong account, create a new account. Pwede nyo lagay kay Izanagi since libre naman si Izanagi, di ba? Sayang din naman. Alright, let's go back to YouTube. No, to Facebook. Marami na rin comments like sa Facebook. Alright, RLC, good evening. Reggie Conde, ito pa pala. Where did I start? Rosario Rizal, thanks po ulit sir. You're welcome po. Ronnie Morillo, this week ilang beses po ako nahagip ng crypto sa cut loss ko at bumalik din. Kalungkutan. Learned my lesson. Thank you palagi Sir Lloyd. From Ronnie Morillo. Yes, it is really hard to trade crypto. Volatility, yes, it can be your friend. Especially kung yung mga tawag dyan. If you're a scalper, ang ganda ng volatility Pag nagbe-breakout, pumipitik then benta ka agad. Short-term trade is very good for volatility is very good for short-term trades. For position trade, it's going to be very challenging. sa crypto. Because magpo-position ka, yes, may support dito. Tapos because of the volatility, if you go for short-term trades, for momentum trade, mahagip lang yung stop loss nyo for it to just come back because of the volatility. So, that's the reason why may mga brokers na hindi sila naglalagay ng stop loss kay crypto. It's because of that. Masasayang lang ang pera nyo kung ikakat loss nyo tapos biglang bumalik. So, kailangan nyo talagang bantayan. And then again, that's crypto, right? It's a double-edged sword. You can win big, you can also lose big because mahirap ang stop loss sa crypto. That's why I don't really trade crypto. I'm more into holding crypto and nagpo-position ako sa major supports lang. Rosario, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Vince Ariola, pacheck naman po sa Del Monte. Good evening, man. Let's check out Del Monte. Alright. So, Del Monte, meron tayong support. Alam nyo na saan ito pupulutin. Pag nag-support yan, that's gonna be your entry point for Del Monte. Reggie Conde, pwede po. Good evening. Pwede na bang pasukin sa SMPH and RLC? Excuse me. SMPH. It's been a long day for me. SMPH, if ever bigyan kayo ng magandang position sa baba, that's gonna be your best entry point. Or kung mag-breakout, those are the best entry points for SMPH lang muna ngayon. Since nasa gitna ng support and resistance sa SMPH. So I can't say it's a buy. RLC naman, RLC, this one's challenging. Pero, okay pa rin ang trend line natin for RLC. Yeah, I would say, overall, okay pa to si RLC. Pwede pa tong sabayan. You could still buy this one overall. Ang pwede yung strategy for RLC is there are major supports right here. So if you just buy some now and then if ever it reaches major supports, I think it will just bounce once again since sobrang lakas ng support na yan. You just buy more on major supports. Bodega ang pwedeng gawin kay RLC dito ngayon since nagsisimula pa lang naman siya sa pag-akyat niya. Alright, Sir Lloyd, thoughts on LHC? With LHC kind of already way up there, we have bearish signals already for our LHC. That's a no-go. That's a no entry point, right? Mahuli kayo dyan. Not my kind of trading. Could be wrong. It could still go up. But hindi ako may inggit dyan. That's already way up there. Not my kind of trading. Paul Hementera. Right. Ali po. Let's check out Ali. Ayala Land Incorporated. Alright. Reaching its major supports right now for Ayala Land Incorporated. Baka mag-support yan. That's gonna be your entry point. Next bounce kay Ali. Bodegahin nyo na to. Pwede nyo na ng bodegahin to. Sobrang mura na ngayon na Ali once again. Right? This one, I can recommend this one. Pwede to. Right? By Ali. Next kay Ali is Nancy Catilo is asking about ABA. Let's check out ABA. Pull back muna. You know where to find this one. Andyan tayo sa MA20. Nagbabounce. Look at that MA20 bounces. Beautiful. MA20 is gonna be the best entry point for ABA pa rin. ASEN and LHC. We just covered LHC. Also ASEN. Pull back and MA20 bounce lang po for ASEN since nakalipad na po yan. Junior Kino. Eto pa pala. Si Rosario is asking about BDO. Na-check na ba natin si BDO kanina? Hindi pa. BDO nag-breakout ha. So good job for BDO. That's a buy right there for BDO. I don't want to be aggressive in this market, but yeah, breakout is a breakout. So that's your entry point for BDO if you want to trade this one out. Junior, good evening Sir J Nemesis copy trade 1 year me hold 50% thanks to you. Ang galing, Junior Aquino man. 50% na ang kita mo from copy trading J Nemesis. Congratulations, man. Galing. Gigi Miares, Sir Lloyd, please check Emperador. Let's check out Emperador. Emperador. Brandy. Bearish na. That's a lower high right there. So, I can't recommend Emperador anymore. And also, nakalipad na po yan eh. Sobrang taas na ni Emperador. Gigi Miares, we covered that. Jose Calooy Jr., Sir Lloyd, magtuloy na kaya si AP. Thanks in advance. Congratulations about AP. We did cover it before. Sabi ko sa inyo, buy na yun. Tuloy-tuloy pa si AP. Wala pong forever, right? Now, basic rule in the stock market, don't fall in love with your asset. Always look to take profits if ever you see weakness. We are starting to reach major resistances right here, so I'm expecting pullbacks at this area. Sell some of your position. If ever sobrang happy nyo na sa position niyo, benta nyo na. Right? Take profits po. Do not fall in love with your stocks. Congratulations. Sobrang ganda na ng kita nyo dyan. Right? Naalala ko pa yan si AP dito, no? Sabi ko sa inyo, breakout, pasukin nyo to dito. Alright, pag nag-breakout. Bumaba, we called another buy right here. Mas maganda pa nga ang kitaan ngayon. Congratulations, Jose Kaluoy. Right, tahan-tahan. PJ, Boss, CDC, and EW. Let's check out CDC and EW. Time check, it's 8:43. Right, CDC, massive support right there. That's your entry point. Ano yun? EW, East-West Banking. Mukhang bearish, pre. Nakata-cute. Pero major supports naman. Ano ba earnings? Hindi lumalabas yung earnings ni East-West sa akin eh. If ever maganda earnings ni East-West, yung dalawang support niya naman pinapakita. No clear signal for East-West. And it's showing us lower highs, man. Mukhang babagsak to. Can't really be sure, but I'm scared with the position right now and I don't want to trade that one. So, I want to stay out from it, away from it. Paul Hermentera, you're welcome. Moderna and Pfizer, please. Kamusta na sa Moderna? mRNA. Moderna Incorporated. Bearish na? Alright, stay away from it already. Pfizer naman. Pfizer made it. Saan ba si Pfizer dito? Sa Nasdaq or si... Yeah, I think NYSE. PFE. Alright, Pfizer. Bearish din. Stay away from it. Darwin Nodo, good PM, poster APL and APL po. Thanks, we covered APL already. That's a buy. And then cut loss lang if ever bumagsak pa. Tech po, Dennis Mundo. Let's check out Tech. That Shell is a buy actually. So yeah, Tech naman ganda. Right? Ganda na pinapakita na Tech, man. This is a buy already, right, for Tech. We already called this yesterday. Sabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo na si Tech kahapon. Nag-up na ng 3.16%. Bakit hindi nyo pa pinasok? Sabi ko kahapon, go na to eh. Diba? Dalawang signal pa nga to, diba? There, that's divergence. Sideways. There. Ano pa ba hinihintay nyo? Umakyat na ng 3.16%. May buy signal na tayo kahapon pa. So hopefully pinasok nyo na yan. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kahapon. Shell is also buy. Super thanks po sa yung info. Stay safe and healthy, sir. Thank you, man. Shell PH, we covered that earlier as HLPH. That's still a buy right there. Pull back lang and bounce para sa buy natin sa Shell PH. GMA po for short-term trade. Benedict, GMA 7 is kind of bearish right now. So I can't recommend it for short-term trade, right? Support, abangan natin sa support lang muna si GMA7. MM Pusser, please, from Gelerios. Medyo nakalipad na si MM, na-pullback na ba yan? I cannot, breakout kahapon kay MM. We called this yesterday. Yeah, we did say buy to because of the breakout of MM kahapon. That's still a buy right there, right? Bumagsak na kanina. Tignan nyo saan nag-bounce sa previous resistance, di ba? So that was your entry point for MM. Still a buy right now, I would say. GMA7 is done for Benedict. Chard, Fernandez, DMCI. Let's check out DMCI. May update po ba sa if extended ba ang quarantine? Pa-check na lang din po na LTG from Jose Lumba. Wala akong update eh. Kulong lang naman ako sa bahay lagi kahit walang quarantine. So, I have no update sa quarantine lang muna, man. Better check it out. But anyways, DMCI starting to reach resistance right there. So, I don't want to recommend that anymore. Shadow na risky. May update po ba sa extended, right? Gelerius, thank you so much, sir. You're welcome, man. Right, so, yan. How much minimum for Izanagi? Bunda ko sa YouTube pang last natin. Sir, more power from Kate, Portugal. Thank you so much. Killer Dar, thank you. Mga B, Sir Lloyd. This is from Kylo. AAPL, sir. So, si Apple naman, this is a very peculiar situation since bullish siya. Nag-breakout nga, but I don't like breakouts on big assets. Alright, si Apple, pinasok ko noong pullbacks niya. We were able to win big kay Apple. This was my sell signal. Kaso nga lang, nag-breakout pa rin si Apple. But that's okay. Pero, mas maganda po sa mga blue chips sa international market on pullbacks. Mas maganda po. Mas stable yon, right? Buy the pullbacks. Right? GFC from Salvi, Villa Dolid. Right, last natin, GFC. LTG is being asked. Uy, thank you so much. May narinig akong star from Jelarius. Thank you so much for the stars. GFC. Okay, okay. MA20 bounce. Dalawang beses na to nag-bounce sa MA20. So, I would say yes, that's still a good buy right there for GFC. Pullback naman yan. That's for Salvi, right? So, meron pang isa si LTG. Yeah, we already covered Pfizer. Bearish na siya. LTG. Coach Shots. LTG still bearish for LTG. So, stay away from it for now. Right? Medyo hirap si LTG sa utang ngayon. So, I'm not expecting for the asset to really go up. Alright, once again, reminders po, Izanagi and Valkyrie bot, if ever you wanna dip into Forex, pero wala kayong oras, let the bot do the trades for you. Parang copy trading din siya, pero naka-program lang. Mas maganda siya in a sense for Forex kasi nakabantay siya lagi for buy signals. Izanagi is for free, Valkyrie, medyo premium siya, pero maganda. Sobrang ganda ng takbo. You have to watch the videos. Andyan po sa video description about Izanagi and about Valkyrie. Si XM po, which is being used by Izanagi, has a promo. I really want you to take advantage of it. XM has a promo of double your investment, meaning kung maglalagay ka ng $100, dadagdagan ng $100 ni XM up to $500. So if you put in $500, dadagdagan yung buying power niyo another $500. That makes it 1,000 yung buying power niyo, and that's amazing. If ever nagsisimula pa lang kayo, right? I can't reiterate that much gaano kalaki si $500 na extra, right? Dinoble ang buying power ninyo ni XM. So please take advantage of it. Check out Izanagi, the bot that you are seeing, you saw earlier. It's been up 155% for me since January, and I want you to experience it too. That's it for me this evening. I will see you again. I don't think I can be present bukas, but I'll let you know. Magpo-post po ako bukas. But heads up lang, baka mabisi kasi ako kasi championship nung shoutcast natin na esports. So, we're gonna be very busy. If I have time, pipilitin ko po if I'm gonna be free at 8 o'clock. But if not, please understand, we'll just see each other next week. Please keep safe po. Enjoy the rest of the week and pa-opening na ang weekend para maabutan natin lahat ang Christmas. Right? I'll see you next week or tomorrow or next week. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.